Harrah's auction. Here's their new tower. The entrance is next to the new tower. This is a little side entrance, but I wanted to show you the property. They have a parking garage too, and then they have the regular parking lot, and they have valet over to the left, and that's the main entrance over there. Then they have over the side they have a bowling alley, and you can do a bunch of things in. They have a restaurant over there. It's not part of Harrah's, but it's in the entertainment area. Okay, Harrah's auction, deluxe room. Let's see, this is first look. Rain shower. One sink, but lots of cabinet space. Closet. Little ottoman, set my stuff on. Okay. Nothing fancy. It is we're in the new tower, the newest tower anyway, which is nice. We've stayed here many times. Refrigerator. Safe. Crash. And dresser drawers, 3 of them. Nice TV. A desk. And a mirror. Desk drawers. Lamps. Charging is over here. Lots of outlets. Little table here to look out. Parking lot view. We're only on the 4th floor because I wanted something close to the elevator. Normally you can see the hills a little bit better. But it's so smoky because there is a fire going on in Arizona. Oh, wow, there's new homes they're building right there. Holy crap. Sorry. Got distracted. Okay. The beds are comfy, and they have nice little artwork. Air conditioner's on just right. Carpeting is nice. Comfy. Phone and the clock, charging. And this is not dust, it's the design. Oh, blue lights. Because it better be the red lights, huh? All right, like I say, we've had these rooms before, and this is nice. They have some other different towers. One, you have the pool view room, and the others are the original ones, cactus towers, I believe, and they have balconies or patios. We've stayed there before. It's just a little bit further of a walk to the casino. But we've done them. They're nice. They're really nice. Okay, I'll be back. The pool at Harrah's auction. Very nice. And there's cabanas here. You can rent. And there's the restaurant. You can eat outside or inside. They have Misters, the what's it called? Cactus? No? What's it called? It's their cafe. They also had a cactus grill that, okay, this is a pool view. King bed, pool access on the bottom floor, so you can actually walk to the pool. This is the restroom. It's really big, and it's got a bathtub. These are the only rooms that have the bathtubs at Chen. The newer tower, there's no bathtubs. Instead, there's rain showers. This isn't a rain shower. Normally, there's a shower head up there, but it's got a nice one there. It's plenty of room. But for those of you who want bathtubs, you have to look in the cactus tower. And you'll see when you look at the amenities, there's only 2 towers that have them. The whole closet. The standard stuff. No robes or slippers here at Harrah's. Well, maybe in the suites. This is good sized room. Desk there and a dirty mirror.
See my Roku, I could have gotten on this one.
Yeah, she likes to bring her Roku and then plug it into the sides of the TV, but you can't always do that. But in this room you can. In our room you can't. We're in the new tower, the newest tower. Yeah, but you have a good private patio here. You could either that can be a lounger. You can lay down, or you can sit. 3 or 4 people there. A couple more people there when the sun goes down, like she said. Here's a nice little patio. Then your own gate and steps, and there's, I don't want to fall here. There's the jacuzzi right outside your door, and you just walk a little bit further over there, and there's the pool. And right there is the restaurant. And there's the other towers over there. The 2-story one right there, that was their original rooms. They all have been renovated. But that's when they first built the hotel. That's because we used to come then. We lived out in Arizona at the time. So yeah, but this is nice. There it is, your own good-sized private patio. And you could get the 2nd floor too, where you have a balcony. You just got to go down the stairs or elevator to get to the pool. Depends what you want. This is room 186. Here's Chen. FYI, if you go out on the patio here, make sure you bring your room key, because this door locks and you got to swipe your key to get back in. I just got locked out. Steve had to let me in. But yeah, this isn't bad. We originally thought we'd be on the other side, but here it's a little more quieter. So I guess this could be more relaxing, huh?
Yeah, because it's like a bunch of kids are out there. I don't
Yeah.
have to listen to them.
You don't, yeah, exactly. Screaming kids and whatever.
Or like,
They're at a
people getting drunk
distance.
at that cinema bar. I don't have to listen to all that.
Yeah.
And I could probably play my music out there and not have anyone complain.
Oh, yeah.
Because nobody's next door.
Yeah, there's no one here. So, yeah. You can always go get in the pool, get wet, whatever, and come back here, sit out here, and have your private sun tanning moments.
Yeah.
All right. Go this way. Yeah, this is the room. It's not bad.